Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Look what's arrived this morning for me. So I'm on my 15 Pro Max. So this is the 512 gig model, and it has just arrived in the post as of literally 2 minutes ago. So I was going to do a proper unboxing using the big camera, but I never plugged the big camera into charge last night, so the battery is dead. Ooh. I will do a second video kind of comparing. I'm shooting this on the 12 Pro Max at the moment, so I still have an XS Max of a 12 Pro Max, and I got 14 which I got from the office, so I will be comparing sizes in a bit with that. So this is the black titanium. Now you can already kind of see some of the fingerprints. I literally just taken it out of the box 2 seconds ago. So this being the European model, still has the SIM card tray. You got power button, you got your new magic control button, volume, stuff on the top. The big one for this generation is USB-C. I will be doing a video with some tests. I want to see if this will work with Ethernet. So you got your big cameras, and everything else. So also in the box you have your USB-C cable. Now supposedly this is on the USB 2 cable, even though on the Pro Max it's actually USB 3 compatible. So this should be able to run a 10 gig USB, which should be fun. You've got your usual stuff on your SIM card, unlock tray, sticker, which I've never used, all the other bits and pieces. So can't say for certain that it feels any lighter than excuse me, can't say any certain that it feels any lighter than the 12 Pro Max, but it is quite nice. Now there's a second item arriving in the post at some stage today. I have an Ultra 2, an Apple Watch Ultra 2 on order. So Apple have said that'll be here sometime in the next couple of hours, hopefully sooner rather than later. And yeah, so there we have it. Just as I said, 5-minute unboxing, less than 5 minutes of unboxing of the Pro Max. I'm going to get this hooked up, and I'll do an unboxing video of the Ultra 2 when it arrives, and then in the next couple of days do a bigger video with a few bits more on it. So there we go. Happy days. Good luck. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Good luck.